NASDAQ this week has lost its value, and we can see the week started with this indecision candle with a gap. We can see that on a Monday, and the price returned on a Tuesday. On a Monday, returned back to close this gap. And in the next several 2 days, the price formed indecision candles, and on a Thursday formed a bearish candle. This bearish candle after that on a Friday has then continued to lose its value with pretty strong bearish candle going all the way back below 21,799 support level. Weekly time frame currently shows me we have a bearish candle formed here, which is invalidation of the previous week a bullish candle breakout. And we can see on the monthly time frame, currently we are still in the bullish month, but we have 1.5 weeks until this month close, so we'll see how this goes. So I will pay attention much closely to the daily time frame, which is much more important. So for now we have a weekly time frame which has invalidation of the bullish breakout, indicating further decline in value. We have a daily time frame candle which is currently in between this resistance and the support level, so I'm expecting that the price will drop down to the support level right here at 21,509, and from there we'll see how the price will behave. One thing to note is that NASDAQ has likes to open with a gap, and we can see this week has opened with a gap, and the several weeks before has opened with a gap. We can see that here, we can see that here. So there is likely that this weekend could also end with a gap, and this Monday opens here probably, and the price will try to move in the direction to close the gap. So currently I'm expecting that the price will drop here, and then we'll see what happens around this support level. Will the price bounce back up, or it will continue to lose its value? So follow the trend and also follow the market, not chasing you. I will stay here and also watch on the Monday how the price will behave, and share that inside premium analysis with the traders when the breakout happens. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.